Welcome is a smartphone that provides a host of features to the users. It comes with a large screen, powerful processor, and HD camera system. Designed to provide a smooth and efficient user experience, the device is the Samsung Galaxy M34. It comes with a processor, octa-core Exynos 1280, 5 nanotechnology. Camera, 50-megapixel triple rear. It comes with space, 128GB, and he comes 6 or 8GB RAM. Samsung Galaxy M34 features. The battery is the largest in the phone's price category because it comes with a large 6000 mAh battery. You will get good performance thanks to the Samsung Exynos 1285 nano processor, which is suitable for the price of the phone, but it is not the best in heavy games. The AMOLED screen gives a distinctive viewing experience during use in terms of colors and brightness with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It comes in a size of 6.5 inches accurately. With operating system, Android 13. Phone weight, 208 grams. Disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy M34 Mobile. The charging speed is not the fastest, only 25 watt. It does not support stereo sound, but the phone's actual volume is loud. The proximity sensor works via software, but it works acceptably. The charger and case do not come with the phone box. Shiny printable design. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.